Ako sa bago na wala.
Kay Joker to.
Uy, yung Galaxy Tab! Magkano ba yung
Yakap
ano?
muna kami, di ba? Okay. Okay, let's do this.
How much is the Galaxy Tab?
Para kayo magpapalagyan natin. Okay.
Oo, balatin nyo sa Galaxy Tab.
Standby!
Okay, kaya siya take hindi siya galing sa
I need that for Christmas.
Quiet, quiet! Tatalak si Badet. Quiet.
Padet.
Okay, James.
Okay, standby. 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
Our final round. In orbit. Are you guys ready?
I don't know.
At this point, we would like to relax a bit and fall back to join you and congratulate you, of course, Bobby, Pakita, and Johnny. Muli, top 5, you are all winners. Palakpakan natin ang lahat kayo guys ay mag-uwi ng wow, okay as well. And syempre, like all of you say,
Dahil ko wala ka din kasi.
gusto kong pasalamatan on your behalf ang lahat ng mga loved ones ninyo na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat sa mga loved ones and of course our other finalists, Baby Jem, also here. At mag-bless pa sa video ng dalawa nating finalists. Thank you. Oh, and Jancy is there too. Thank you guys. But this is it. 13 weeks. The time has come. Heto na ang resulta.
Pambadet.
Ana, week after week, ikaw ay ang finalist na nagpakita ng kakaibang klaseng puso sa iyong mga videos. Napahanga mo ang ating mga judges week after week. Ikaw ay isang tunay na storyteller. Orvin. Tulad ng sinabi ng Anna, what would you like to say at this point?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I thank you so much to my family, my friends, my family, my friends, family friends again. Especially to the judges. Thank you so much. You have judged everyone fairly, especially me. I learned a lot. Thank you also, of course, to my fellow contestants. You are the reason why I pushed myself. An amazing experience. Thank you so much to everyone who's been a part of it. Thank you, God, first and foremost, and I promise I will not disappoint. I'll
Once again, congratulations, Anna! Thank you very much. Once again, I can't thank enough, of course, Orvin Guy, Bobby, Jaiho, and Makita. Hindi ito ang huli na makikita namin kayo. Congratulations, Anna! You just made history, becoming the first ever Secret Star!
Okay na sa akin to, ha?
Nanay mo, Magic Tea! Ito po yung nanay ko. Thank you, Mama Den.
Bobby,
Message, message.
Robert, thank you so much.
Jayo.
Si Jai, bakla naman yan.
Jayo. Galing kay Becky mo niya, Bobby.
Hey, I can carry that galaxy
Listen, sa akin yun.
Uy, Ana, ako na yung parang 60! Akin na yung 60 di mo!
Meron na kami ni Betang ganyan, dito sa akin pila eh.
O, dyan, pwede ka naman libre, Ana.
Oo, Ana, may house party sa inyo, ha?
Sabahan ng lolo mo!
Papa Mike! Papa Mike! Papa Mike, palitin mo! Ma'am, magpalagay kayo ng inumin na yung ano, about doon.
Mga cocktail na!
Mobile bar! Mobile bar!
Mobile bar!
Hindi ka na, inumin!
Mobile bar, wala.
Wala nang medyo mobile bar!
Dahil dyan, magkakalit Ma'am Baden!
Diba, pwede ng first ever Secret Star?
Alatan. One more.
I-welcome natin si Ma'am Baden!
Sunday. Well,
Yan, pati siya.